So now we're ready to build, right?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
So
The common question.
So we've clearly defined, we prioritize problems. Now we're ready to focus on what the solution is. How do we do that?
Yeah. So, here's where prototyping really starts to kick in of like, if this is the risk, now the team can start really digging deeper into these kind of what if scenarios of looking at where are the opportunities to really solve this problem in a distinct and valuable way that is easy to use. And so as we start to frame that out, we'll create early prototypes. We talk sometimes around low fidelity or high fidelity. Like these are kind of conceptual. Here's a workflow. Here's the information that you might encounter to drive decisions along the way. And then they increasingly get more high fidelity. They start looking like real software, beautiful screens in the right colors, the right, it reflects your brand. It's got real content in it that we can start to create some artifacts that we can put in front of users to confirm or validate that we are on the right track. Often what we try to encourage there is that what we're looking for are alternative solutions. So we can do it this way, and we can do it another way, or we can do this way. Let's have a conversation with users about which is optimal and get a little bit under the hood of why is that the preferred solution.
So hitting on that risk of value again,
Yeah.
hitting on the usability risks. That's now we have a prototype that represents, okay, here's the way this product is really going to work. Did we get it right?
Yeah.
Really at that.
And it has a kind of electrifying effect on the team. Like not only are we getting kind of feedback to test the assumptions, but there's a confidence factor that starts to build in the team. Like there's some real empathy. Like we really do understand, and you'll find that the teams now can start to talk for months about like, oh, this is that problem when so-and-so encounters this. That's the hurdle that we want to help them get past. Or this is where they run into all this complexity. Or this is where we have to help them navigate a lot of different decisions all at once. And so we get empathy out of that. We get understanding of kind of preference and why. And that really helps us drive smarter technology decisions. And there's so many in a given project that we can start to make those decisions more confidently and more accurately based off some real insight that's starting to come back from users, stakeholders that we talk to along the way.
Yeah.